Alright, so we got here is a 1994 Ford Thunderbird. It's got a bumper kit on it. Makes it look fairly modern, I guess. Kind of see that, you know. Lots of glare from the sun coming out. Some of the angles, but whatever. Tried painting it to make it look a little more whatchamacallit, so it doesn't look like it has raw plastics on it. Not the best paint job, but it's good enough so you can kind of see what the end product kind of looks like, I guess. You can see if get close up on the exhaust or not. You can drones a lot, but there's a minute amount of exhaust smoke coming out the end of the mufflers, and it's got the, I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not. Change the angle, maybe it'll pick up the smoke coming out of there. There's smoke coming out of these things. If the camera can see the smoke coming out of it or not, but it does have a exhaust valve right there that's open, and then the exhaust system that's on this thing, it's got a dual exhaust that goes down to the output of the transmission, then it goes to a Y that's shaped like a capital Y, and that goes into a 28-inch glass pack. Then a single 2.5 goes over the axle, and then splits into another Y, which there's a dump right at that Y, and then the tails of the Y each go into a MagFlow performance muffler, and then it's got MagFlow tips on it. So it's a 4.6 liter V8 car. From what I know, all the engine bearings, rod bearings, and whatever for the engine are the same as the F-150's Triton engine, which is a 5.4. So for those being in an engine that's a liter less or whatever, they tend to get pretty good mileage for service life. It's fairly lively. I don't know if you might be able to see the oil pressure rise as the RPM does or not. But yeah, it runs pretty smooth. It's not even going up on temperature yet. It's got really old gas in it. You can set the phone down. Somewhere's over here. Yeah, so the camera's zoomed in. Ouch. Oh yeah, that's kind of what it sounds like, I guess. A lot of air that moves out of it because it's an 8-cylinder. Only thing that the engine makes is the exhaust sound, and the fuel injectors are a bit noisy. Other than that, it's virtually silent. And then it's got a little button there, a purple light. Has accent lighting on the underside of it. Yeah, pretty nice little car, eh? Kind of hear it now as it's warming up a little bit. It's backfiring on the D-cell. Camera, phone can probably hear that. Backfires, pops a little bit, but I'm sure when that glass pack gets nice and warm from driving on the highway for a little bit, sound would definitely come out a little more. Yep. And the temperature gauge is starting to come up a little bit. Well, the whatchamacallit here, it says the outside temperature, it says is 17 degrees, and you can see where the engine temperature, pressure, whatever thing is, kind of right there. It's not even warm yet. It's got 0W20 in it, so that's pretty high oil pressure for 020. And because it's got 020 in it, you know the oil pump's not going to make the oil cavitate when it's way up there. Yep. I think when it's in gear it goes a little bit higher, but tires are expensive.